Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I have an alternative project with this month's, that would be December 2018, paper pumpkin kit called Day by Day. The December kit from Paper Pumpkin is traditionally a sort of a calendar to get you into the next year. It's a really great way to create a gift to share or something for yourself. All of the pieces are pretty much die cut, but there's a really great little stamp set here, and I adore the ribbon. That's one of my favorite colors. So I put together a project for a card and for a 3D project, and I'm going to integrate some new products from the Occasions catalog. Needle and thread framelits are just adorable. I am really enjoying using them. I'm very much a hand sewing person, so this is right up my alley. And I discovered along the way that there is a framelit that cuts out, or there's a framelit that kind of makes an impression and then it coordinates with the pretty label punch. So that's a new way to use something I already have in my stash. There's also a really big embossing die. You can see it here, that I am embossing onto Crumb Cake cardstock, and you can see that it just punches out like little needle marks. It's a very unique look, and I love the tone on tone that it gives to a project without having to add a lot of bulk. I'm adhering that to a Whisper White cardstock card base that is top folding. Very, very simple. And then my stamped sentiment goes right over a piece of ribbon. How easy is this project? So it's going to coordinate with a tiny treat box. I used a clear tiny treat box which measures 2 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches, and I filled it with some shreddy that I created myself from Crumb Cake and Whisper White cardstock. I used the exact same ribbon to go around, and you can see that here. And then I used one of the pre-made labels and attached it, and it's just the perfect little gift. This is a great thank you gift for a teacher or someone that has even given you a Christmas gift. There's loads of ways to use this. This is just one of them. My project is part of the Paper Pumpkin Thing blog hop today, and today is going to be filled with lots of ideas on alternatives that you can create with the Day by Day kit. If you are not yet a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, then click on the link in the video description and you can get more information. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time.
Hi, my name is Trip. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.